Hello and very warm welcome. My name is Sebastian and we want to speak today about Amazon Rekognition, a really powerful service from AWS. What we can do with it, so we have a deep learning based visual analysis service, search, verify and organize millions of images and videos. So we can do image and video analysis, we can detect objects which are unique to businesses. We can integrate it with other AWS services and so on. So we will just have here a short overview what it is capable of, and it is really amazing what detection could make. Okay, so let's go. Try demo. So our best is how you come here to Amazon Rekognition. For all which are not so much familiar, so you type in here on the top Rekognition, and there you go, click here and then you come out where I am right now. Good, we go to try demo. So what we have here is some sample images, and at first we have here some label detection. So it could give us here the labels. It's a neighborhood to 99.9%. It's a city, it's a road, street, urban, and there's a person inside. Let us go a little bit deeper here. What still it's finding or what's not so much sure. Condo, housing, license plates. Yeah, there is a little bit of license plates, wheels. So in this image, it could already detect some labels. And we do also the next one. So what we have here, architecture, cityscape, metropolis, yeah, it looks like this. And when we go a little bit deeper, skyscraper to 53%. Yeah, I'm sure here are skyscrapers. Okay. When we could drive this a little bit forward, we will use our own image. So what I did, I downloaded some. And here we go. We have here something from Berlin. Let's see what it detects here. So architecture, building, cityscape, urban, outdoors, yes. Let's see what it also sees. A tower, 64%. Yeah, okay, correct. Berliner Fernsehturm here, 55%. It was not sure, but yeah, there it is. Okay, and one more we do. I have here also something in the night. Let's see what it does out of a night picture. Also here the same, Berliner Fernsehturm, it's more sure now. Stand it out a little bit, the tower. Let's see what it see more. Yeah, it has already here in this darker image a little bit some issues. Outdoors, city still 63.4%. Cityscape, but you get it. So we can use here pictures like we wish, and we get the labels from it, what it is actually in the picture. Okay, as you see here, you can also do bulk analysis. So this means then you can analyze as much as pictures you want. You can also use your custom labels. So this is then very interesting. So you can analyze some pictures, give them some custom labels, train the model, and then when you give new pictures, it will also detect your custom labels. Let's go to the next one, image properties. So here it gives us the palette range of the colors. It gives us the image qualities. So of this one, here we have another one, also the colors, which could be really interesting when we need the colors, especially from a picture. So no problem with this. We have image moderation, which is also important. So we could create labels and then say these labels, please blur them out. For instance, we have here this wonderful woman on the beach, and here we have some moderation labels. So we don't want to, or we want to blur out some swimwear or partially exposed. Yeah, and when we see here correct, it would be blurred. And this is then, so it detects some moderation labels and blurs them out. Facial analysis, also interesting. So we have here a picture of a woman again. It identifies correctly that it is a face. Female, age, if it is smiling, appears to be happy, wearing glasses. Let's see what's more. Does not have a beard, clearly, yes, okay. Let's try with one of my own pictures. Here we have one of these. Looks like a face, yes, could analyze it. Age range 41 to 49, yes, seems to be smiling, appears to be happy, 56.8, so could be more laughing. No glasses, eyes are open. So you get the point. Also with this image recognition or facial analysis, you can get labels out of images. And this is interesting that you can get also sentiments from it, if it's male or female, so already detection of this. Face comparisons. Amazon gives us here some examples. Okay, good, Andy Jassy. So we try it also. Let's get some other pictures. Get again my picture here. So I'm not Andy Jassy for sure. Correct. But when we use one other one of me, let's see if we can find one. Yes, we have one here. Similarity 99%. So we could also compare people, which is really interesting. Also the probability it gives us, really nice. Okay, face liveness. Okay, this is then okay, we can use it with the camera directly. Okay. Then we have here celebrity recognition. Okay, this guy everybody knows. I downloaded one, an older actor. Let's see if the database is correct. Yeah, Audrey Hepburn. Okay, that's fine. I also took another one here. Helena Fischer. Yes, that's also correct. So it seems to be also that it knows some German ones. Text in image. So we have here clearly a picture, and it could find also the text in it as a response. Here's the API response, also where it is and what it is. And when we go here, this is interesting again. We have here, for instance, also the license plate from the car. So again, where it is, what it was, detected text. So interesting for any garage which want to charge by the time and the license plate. So we easily could deal here with the license plate on a picture or on a stream even. It comes later here, also the stream. Get the license plate from it. I know there are also cameras out that will use the same approach to get these, but this would be a use case also here. PPE detection, this is more to, okay, what is proper PPE, if it was wearing or not. Then, like I said, you can also store or get videos analyzed, video events. You can go to metrics, this is then CloudWatch, and you have also here additional resources. So overall, we saw that it is a powerful service, and also we see already how the machine is capable of to analyze pictures, see what is inside, and that's really great. We do the last one. Let me see here. Yeah, correct. Let's see here. This is a cafe. Okay, so it says, actually it says here indoors. Okay. Weird. Indoors is there. This is outdoors. Okay. So already I said it was great, but here it had some issues. Okay, restaurant. I would say this cafeteria. Okay, persons, males. This is a person, male to 96%. Vehicle, faces, bags, food court. So a lot of labels which was found. Glasses, yes, correct. Person. What else we have here? What he finds? Again, a person. So a lot of stuff to find. Let's see if we can get here also the image properties from it. There will be probably a lot. Let's go. Okay, so dominant colors is white, or the type of white, with 31%. Some darker blue it is here, with 11%. So you get the point. Awesome to analyze these pictures. And yeah, that is what all Amazon Rekognition is all about. And as you can see, you can first detect all the stuff, what you need, which stuff, which requests you want to get, and integrate it then also with other AWS services. And you can also use your own labels to detect something which right now the machine cannot so good detect. Okay, I hope it was helpful, and I will see you in one of the next one. Please like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.